In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Harris County. If you want to take care of your ticket quickly without visiting the court in person, this online method is one of the easiest options. I'll walk you through the process from the City of Houston website all the way to the payment page, so you can follow along smoothly and avoid confusion. To get started, go to the City of Houston website and open the Municipal Court's Ticket Payments page. This page explains the payment methods the court accepts, including cash, check, money order, ATM debit card, and major credit cards. Since we're focusing on the online option, look for the section that mentions paying online through the Chase Ticket Payment System. Once you find that option, click on the Chase Ticket Payment System link. This will usually open in a new window, so don't worry if your browser switches tabs or opens a separate page. After that, you'll be taken to the online fine payment area. On the next screen, click the button labeled Continue to Pay Fines. This takes you to the secure payment form where you'll enter the information needed to locate your ticket. It's a good idea to have your citation details ready before you begin, because the system will ask for specific information exactly as it appears on your records. When you reach the form, start by selecting the payment type. Then enter your account number in the appropriate field. After that, type in your citation number carefully. Make sure you enter the number exactly as shown on your ticket to avoid any search errors. Next, enter your date of birth. After that, fill in the offense date. These details help the system verify your identity and match you to the correct citation. So take a moment to double check everything before moving on. Even a small typo in the date or citation number can cause the system to reject the search. Once all the required fields are complete, click Continue to Payment. From there, you'll be able to review your ticket information and proceed with the payment process. As a helpful tip, before submitting any payment, make sure the ticket details on the screen match your citation. It's also smart to save or print your confirmation once the payment is complete, just in case you need proof later. That's it. This is how to pay a traffic ticket online in Harris County using the City of Houston's payment system.